Tukotigana na roboti oruku rwa somorai bwense ababunge nigo batebire buna umurubiri bwo kwena nendagira go sejiskuru nigo ratede go se nigo rache kwera kubwatakana monogo keigwa kwe budget ye wizara yegiseme ko bwatakana no muriki we wizara yo omanyekere buna perio Kipsang nigatebire buna ekamati ye bunge amone wizara yaye nigo gendereta monege ikaro ne wizara ye chibesa eriyo kwene kebuna chibesa chijiskuru ngo chichachire na igendagira ebwato kugosegendere kwena nu asecheskuru
ni cabinet secretary
varebo sio we kamati yobakoreri yebungi yensi ya Kenya ababusabe wizara y'ekisemi bakoragwa no muri Kyobo Belio Kipsang nigo barasa bamunge buna e budget yu yarosetigwe eriyogo ikirania endagira secheskuru nigo yapunguze twe aseke wange kenene.
However, in the financial year 2024 the budget has been reduced, though there is still engagement on this, to 3 billion shillings.
Amo nogo punguzwa we budget yo niga babunge barurogo kurera buna nabe wizara y'ekisemi erachiko sinywa asoko barageri aborokiwa asecheskuru asekeri bagote buna chibesa nigo chapunguze twe asechi billion isano na ibere.
In very specific terms, you can tell us the effect of how will it affect the school feeding program in specific terms? That is a budget cut.
Will it not be a proper thing to do that we need to have a mandatory school feeding for each and every child going to a school in wherever part of this particular country?
But you cannot deny a child who has already been benefiting. You cannot withdraw a benefit that has always been enjoyed. And in this particular circumstance, we do not intend to withdraw a benefit.
Yorana be wizara y'ekisemi yatewe muna bachakire chinkwana amoneki ganta gya serikali erego ikirania omubango bwendagira asecheskuru nande kobeke kiganche keya gyogotenenera endagera asecheskuru.
As a country, it's actually shameful for us not to be able to feed our children in school. I come from so-called Asal County.
Chakula ni priority. Hatukuli kuishi. They say we don't eat, we don't live to eat, but we eat to live.
Watoto wetu wanatabika sana. Watoto wetu wengine wanatembea kutoka mbali kuja shule. Na ukiangalia poverty index, Kenya yote kwa jumla, watoto hawana chakula.
Inko reporting Amazing Voice of Victory. Eriane Migika
Kosuka mutuni kababunge kurwase county ya Samburu banyamochires wizara y'ekisemi asogota gwatoke bitabu asechinga